Okay guys, let me show you how to use the Sanwopay mobile app. First of all, you go to Play Store to download the app. Then you create an account. After creating the account, you log in with your number, with your phone number and your special password. Then you log in to your Sanwopay mobile dashboard. You see the features: scan to pay, send money, adjust savings, make withdrawal, loan. But right now I want to show you how drivers can receive money, save money every day, and also get loans. So for a passenger to pay a driver, he needs to ask for the driver's card or the barcode placed inside his bus to scan to pay. So let's see how that works. I click on scan to pay and collect the driver's card. Scan the card, the driver's name pops up. I input the amounts I want to pay the driver, input my PIN, my secret PIN, and then I click on transfer, confirm payments, and the driver gets credit and he receives instant alerts that he has received money. For customers, bus drivers who want to save using our agents, they go to the agent, give the agent cash, and the agent deposits in their personal account. By clicking on the personal account icon, he imputes the driver's phone number, and then the driver's name pops up. He inputs the amount that he wants to the driver wants to save, 500, then his secret PIN. He would have collected cash from the driver. As soon as he clicks save, the money goes into the driver's savings account and is saved for the driver. When the driver wants to withdraw that money, he can come to make withdrawal, also input his phone number, the amount he wants to withdraw and PIN, and can also withdraw from the agent. You can also apply for loan by filling in the customer details, their phone number, their park location, their home address. They input their guarantor's details too, and the amounts they are applying for, and then the duration they are to pay back the loan. Immediately they fill in all this, they get credited instantly, and then they can use the money to fix their bus, or shop owners can use the money to top up their shop. So that is how bus drivers and people in the motor park can use the Sanwopay app to save, receive money, and also get instant loan without having to leave their park. Thank you.